Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a pi symbol on your Google Sheet web on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a pi symbol on your Google Sheet web on the computer. So if you're just going and clicking insert option, but you can't find the symbol option here. Actually, there is no symbol option in the Google Sheet web. So use your keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut here was you just need to press the Alt key with 227. Okay, so let's try. So I just going to press the Alt key first and type 227 and just leave the Alt key. So it automatically creates this pi symbol. This is how you just insert the pi symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer. This is actually a keyboard shortcut. So you just need to press Alt key and type 227. Then you just copy and paste wherever you just needed. This is how you just insert a pi symbol. This is the one of the solution. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you want having any comment doubts about the Google Sheet, just comment below. I just make a video about it, and we will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.